Hello, my name's Jack Golds and this is my home. An area in the southwest of Portugal whose unique natural habitats are unfortunately under threat. Today I'd like to introduce you to Pro Nativa and to one of our projects. In this case we are rewilding an abandoned pine monoculture. Our aim is to restore the native forest and to protect it for generations to come. Native forests are of immeasurable importance. Without them, life on this planet wouldn't be possible because we wouldn't have the water, clean air, biodiversity and all the resources we need to survive. But right now, not enough is being done to protect them. Monoculture plantations, invasive species, conventional forestry and agricultural practices all pose a threat to their survival. Not to mention they all increase the risk of wildfires. Every year thousands of hectares burn, along with countless animals and their habitats, and it's getting worse. This is why it's urgent to act now. Projects like these are important specifically in this area, as the southwest of Portugal is one of the biggest hotspots for biodiversity in the whole of Europe. This means that we can make a huge impact with relatively little effort, because so many of the native species are already here. They just need a little help. Many people have been led to believe that planting trees is the best solution, but unfortunately this isn't always the case, due to high costs and low survival rates. But unlike planted trees, naturally occurring trees that sprout from seeds from the area are extremely well adapted to their environment. And this is why our projects rely on natural regeneration to provide the solution. To ensure the survival of the native species, all that we do in this case is carefully remove the pine trees that are competing for their resources. The area will be monitored and managed for invasive species for the next few years, but apart from that, all that remains to do now is sit back and watch nature work its magic.